Just as a note, before I start the recipe, what you're looking at are the shrimp skins, the shell, but that's not water in there. That's previously cooked shells and then put into the freezer. So each time I have a stronger and stronger shrimp stock, which someday I'll use for maybe a little shrimp bisque or a shrimp sauce for something that's not shrimp, like a piece of fish with a shrimp sauce. No, not bad too. And the shrimps, you have to use shell-on shrimps. All the other ones that you buy in the bag, once you defrost them, 20% of the weight comes off in water, not with the shell-on shrimp. So just realize that when you're purchasing those, that you think you're getting a bargain, but you're going to lose. And these come already cut all the way. And I'm just going to make them a little deeper of a cut, so you get them the same way as you would in the Chinese restaurant, how they just wrap around very nicely. Okay, so that's just a little idea for you in the future. This is going to be quick. We're going to put in it's not quite, that's a quarter of a cup, so it's a little more than an eighth of a cup of the ginger. Alright, I made noise, sorry. The ginger, the red onions and the garlic. And I have the pasta cooking next to it, so it just got to be fast. And everything's done at the same time. I have the salt and pepper on the shrimps, so and this is, the sauce is only the butter and the olive oil. There go the shrimps. Give it a quick stir. The salt and the pepper will come off of the shrimps and go on to everything else that's in there. Flame is very high. In goes a little flour. I chose the red onions because, for some reason, the color, it'll look nice. And the garlic and the ginger. So it's not an Asian dish, it's not an Italian dish. It's a dish that I made because I like all those ingredients. And there's nothing wrong with it. You can do whatever you want in cooking. Colander is in the sink. Pasta's almost ready. Now we're going to take a little bit of, because we don't want to overcook this. And that flour do what it's supposed to do. Now we're going to add a little of the pasta water. That's all, just a little bit. She is smelling good. I don't have any parsley to finish this off with. This is done in exactly another 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do now is get the pasta. One more shot of the pasta water, which makes a half a cup. So if you want to call this a sauce, you can. That's what it is. Shut this off. We are done. When you get the pasta, presentation is everything. Pour this off. Get my bowl for the pasta. Put it right here. This is for 2 people. The pasta, like it says, it's 10 shrimps. Let's put this in there. I don't want to mix this up yet because we have to look at it and see if we're happy with the presentation. We're going to add, move this over here, we're going to add to this a little more olive oil, virgin olive oil. Five shrimps per person, and there you go.